Hello there. Welcome to the first part of our series, Common Shona Words and How to Pronounce Them. So this is how we're going to do it. I will take you through a series of words in Shona, and I will also be teaching you how to basically pronounce them. So let's get started. So the first word we're going to look at is time. In Shona, nguva, nguva. Next word, human. In Shona, munhu, munhu. Year, gore, gore. Day. In Shona, zuva, zuva. Men, murume, murume. Women, mukadzi, mukadzi. Boy. In Shona, mukomana, mukomana. Girl, musikana, musikana. Next word, life. In Shona, it's upenyu, upenyu. Mom or mother. In Shona, it's amai, amai. Dad or father. In Shona, baba, baba. Child, mwana, mwana. Place. In Shona, it's nzvimbo, nzvimbo. Water, mvura, mvura. Chair. In Shona, it's chigaro, chigaro. Eye, ziso, ziso. Book. In Shona, it's buku, buku. School, chikoro, chikoro. Next word, window. In Shona, it's fafitera, fafitera. Table. In Shona, tafura, tafura. Aeroplane. In Shona, it's ndege, ndege. Teacher, mudzidzisi, mudzidzisi. Driver, mutyairi, Muchairi. Electricity. Magetsi. Magetsi. Food. Chikafu. Chikafu. City. In Shona it's Doroba. Doroba. Week, as in 7 days in a week. In Shona it's Viki. Viki. Next, network. Masai Sai. Masai Sai. House. In Shona, Imba. Imba. Country. Nika. Nika. And this brings us to the end of the first part of our series. I hope I will see you in the next video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment. Thank you very much. Tatenda.